Hi guys, today we have another unboxing video.
Yay!
Today we have the Vampirina Scare B&B, the Vampirina Fantastic Friends, and we have the Vampirina car, and Vampirina herself. Alright Joe, so which one do you want to open first?
I want to open this one first.
You want to open that one first?
I want to open it myself.
Okay.
Let it open.
Uh-oh.
I did it.
Do you want me to take Wolfie out? Oh my gosh, these are so hard to take out.
I take Demi out. I take Vampirina out.
The Vampirina out. The Vampirina Fantastic Friends is a 10-piece set, and some of the pieces work with the Ghoul Glow that is on the Scare B&B. Vampirina, her best friend Bridget, Vampirina's cousin BB Nosy, Case of the Baddies, Vampirina's mom Oksana, Vampirina's dad Boris, this is Vampirina's dog Wolfie, Vampirina's ghost friend Demi, and another one of Vampirina's friends Gregoria. And it comes with Vampirina's backpack. Now Vampirina is wearing her backpack. So let's set aside the friends and then we can open the Scare B&B. Are you excited to open the Scare B&B?
Open it.
Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
So it is a very big box, as you can see. So the Vampirina Scare B&B, it has a tower telescope that goes up and down. Dance party with Poppy. It's two-sided play. There's a haunted kitchen. The stairs can flip up. This house has the Ghoul Glow where Vampirina glows. It's 10 pieces, adult assembly required. This is for ages 3 and up, and this set only comes with 2 figurines. It comes with Vampirina and Vampirina's best friend Poppy, and when you push down on Vampirina, she glows. The set includes the Scare B&B house, light up Vampirina figure, Poppy figure, a couch, a dining table, 2 dining chairs, a record player, a bed, and a pillow. Okay, let's open it.
Yay! Open it, open it, open it. Yes, put the stickers on it's gonna be.
So we have the house set up. Now we're gonna put the stickers. So where are we putting?
There's eyeballs inside of it.
There's eyeballs inside the rug. Do you know where that goes?
Oh no.
It goes right here. That one goes right here.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's the rug for the downstairs front of the house.
Hey, I have another 2 one.
Okay, so put it right here. Okay, so we took out the bed, so it'll be easier to put on. Okay, so now let's put the stickers on the bookshelf on the other side.
Yeah.
So we're gonna finish putting the stickers on the bookshelf right here. We have one more. Let's put it right here. Okay. So this is all done with the bookshelf and the bed. You know how to put it in?
Break it.
Now it's on there.
That's for the rest of
So it's like a secret hidden bed.
Hey, I did it.
That one goes on this bed.
Yeah.
So does this one go here? Thank you. I'm gonna put this one right here.
This is better. This is really good. That's your Vampirina.
So there's 2 beds in the house. Where does that one go?
Right here.
Yeah. Inside the fridge. Okay. Fridge stickers in. What is that?
A TV show.
Okay, we got the sticker for the TV in. This one. And this. What is that one?
A record player.
Oh, the record player. So that goes right here. There we go. Got the record player in. Okay, now let's do...
A plates.
Where's the table?
Go.
There it is.
I did it.
Good job.
I did one.
Now you do the other one?
This is the number 2.
Okay. Good job, baby. Jovie got the placemats on the table. Good job, baby.
It goes right here.
Okay. Now we have a few more stickers. Where does those lights go? So we got one light in right here. Oh, like that? Okay. So Jovie put the lights like this. So I think she's right because I have no idea.
She has ice inside.
We got those stickers in there. What is this one for? It goes right there.
Yeah.
So this is the last of the stickers and they go on the side of the house right here.
Mommy.
We got the Vampirina Scare B&B stickers all in place. Hi Oksana! Welcome to Scare B&B. Now let's go over some of the features. This house has a telescoping tower, which means the top part goes up and down. Scary. And there's a picture of Demi and Gregoria. And on this side there's a picture of Poppy and Vampirina. Down. So we put Poppy in and she's going to dance to the record player by spinning this knob. So spooky. The second floor. So now let's check the next floor down. So we have the TV here and the TV spins. Here is the couch. So here's a pillow for the couch. This is a super cute pillow. Pillow goes right there. And then this bookshelf folds down as a bed. As a hidden day bed. Her friends can take it out too. The stairs right here, you can fold it up or down. And then there's a little knob right here for Vampirina to down and light up. The door opens in and out. Here's the kitchen with a fridge that opens. So one cool feature about the kitchen is the floating food. So if you press up and down on either sandwich or the soup kettle, you can see the food float. Ooh.
I want to do it.
Try it. Ooh, scary. And then right here is we can put the dining table and chairs so they can have lunch.
Vampirina, this is the budget.
Okay.
Woohoo! This a backpack?
No, that's a pillow.
A Minnie Mouse toy to Nosy.
Oh, okay. So Minnie Mouse toy to Nosy. Okay. So Minnie Mouse give it to Nosy as a present?
Uh-huh.
Okay. We have Vampirina with her backpack on. In the kitchen, we have baby Nosy and Poppy having some lunch. Upstairs, we have Wolfie, Demi, Gregoria, and Case of the Baddies. Upstairs, we have the light up Vampirina. And we have Bridget by the record player. And upstairs is the bedroom. But wait, where's Oksana and Boris? I don't see them. Oh, they're right here, driving the Huntley's mobile. And this car is so cool because when you open it in the back, it is a little movie theater. There's a TV in the back. There's Vampirina. She's gonna have some popcorn while watching the movie. And the front of the car has a button. Vampirina says some phrases.
Let's go for a cruise.
And the lights in the front light up.